Good afternoon, everyone. And my name is Erlai Anumotos.
I'm going to be Lisa. I'm Angela Nicoyo. I am Teresa Ramirez. I'm Gina.
I am Sarah Jesus Alendra.
And our topic is
With your plan to succeed, QR code attendance system for rated IC at Surigao City National High School, school year 2024-2025.
Project Dardanus rated IC students at Surigao City National High School have achieved significant academic challenges, including instruction difficulty catching up with lessons, and ultimately lower grades. Research confirms that frequent late arrivals negatively impact academic performance due to low learning time. The current paper-based attendance system lacks efficiency in tracking and increasing tardiness. To solve this, our Smart Punctuality program introduces a QR code attendance system that automates tracking, sends real-time SMS alerts to parents, and incentivizes on-time arrivals with rewards. By integrating this simple yet effective technology, we aim to ensure classes start on time, improve learning outcomes, and instill lifelong punctuality habits in students, preparing them for future academic and professional success.
In project description, scan to succeed an innovative QR code-based attendance monitoring system that is designed specifically for grade 10 honesty at Surigao City National High School. This project replaced outdated paper logs with a digital solution where students scan personalized QR codes upon arrival, instantly recording their attendance. Key feature, including automated SMS notification to parents if their child is late, a live leaderboard to recognize punctual students, and data analytics. To track tardiness trends, the system not only streamlines attendance management for teachers, but also fosters accountability among students and parents. By linking punctuality to reward a parental engagement, the project targets a 50% reduction in tardiness within 3 months, directly addressing its root causes and improving classroom productivity. The initiative's scalability allows potential expansion to other grade levels upon successful implementation.
Objectives: to reduce tardiness by 50% within 3 months using QR code attendance tracking. To improve academic performance by ensuring 90% attendance for full day periods. To increase parental engagement through real-time SMS notification of timings. To implement a reward system for students with perfect month attendance. To create to create digital attendance reports for teacher analysis.
Methodology. Preparation 7 days. Create features to generate QR codes. Implementation 3 weeks. Daily scanning SMS alerts. Leaderboard updates. Evaluation 5 weeks. To analyze tardiness rates versus grades. Tools, QR code generators, SMS gateway, data analysis. Timeline. Number 1. Preparation phase. 7 days, April 2025. Activities. Train teachers on QR code system usage. Generate and distribute personalized QR code to students. Person in charge, ICT coordinator, and student HT. Number 2, implementation phase, 3 weeks, April 2025. Daily QR codes coming during homework. Automate SMS alerts sent to parents of late students. Update and displays. Punctually leaderboard weekly. Person in charge, class advisors, and project team. Number 3. Evaluation phase, 5 weeks. April to May 2025. Activities. Analyze tardiness data, comparison to baseline. Review grade correlations for frequently tardy students. Prepare final report with findings and recommendations. And lastly, person in charge, research teacher, and data analysis hub.
Saya. Diyan. Isa yan. Isa.
Okay. Resources. Materials, quality, unit, cost, total cost. And materials, we are using QR codes printing, and the quality is 39. Unit cost 5 pesos. Total cost 195 pesos. 195 pesos. And also SIM alerts, reward certificate, parents notice, 12, 15 pesos, 180 pesos, and parents notice, one batch, 75 pesos, 78 pesos rather, and 78 pesos, Philippine
Dapat ko
pesos.
pa sa pag-video ng mga bata mo.
Total of 625 pesos.
Okay. Are you now ready to answer questions? Ayaw. Diyan po mali.
Success of this succeed QR code attendance system will be evaluated through quantitative and qualitative metrics. Tardiness rates will be tracked weekly and compared to baseline data to measure progress toward a 50% reduction goal within 3 months. Academic performance. Test scores, participation grades will be analyzed to correlate punctually with learning outcomes. Parental engagement will be assessed via SMS response rate and feedback survey. Additionally, the system's usability will be reviewed with teachers and students' testimonials. A final report will summarize findings, including challenges.
Example, technical glitches and
integration strategies,
ensuring the project's
sustainability and
potential expansion to other grade levels.
Okay, we're done. We're ready to answer the questions provided by the panelists.
You mentioned grade 10 honesty. Why grade 10 honesty?
Because
Juan, Lumotos.
Because
Or anyone from the group.
from our group,
Only one mag-answer. Pag-answer niyo.
from our group, there are 2 students from honesty, and like we observed a lot of students being late at that specific section, and like mostly the students are late due to different reasons. That's why we chose honesty to be
the one of the to be our topic.
Or
For question na lang. For question.
Okay, so your implementation. So you're using a QR code attendance system. So what is wrong with the paper-based and the traditional method? What is wrong with that? Why is it that you propose to use QR code attendance instead of traditional attendance checking? Can you defend that? Can you give a reason why you prefer to have a QR code?
there's nothing wrong about the traditional method or that kind of attendance checking or like logbooks. We implement this kind of project because we like we are gathered or we plan this for a better and like yung parang para mas mapadali yung para madali malalaman ng mga parents or teachers or sino man dyan para madali nilang maalam kung nasa ng kanilang anak, kung nakapasok na ba and on time. That's why we implement this kind of project. That's all.
You also mentioned a reward system. What would be the reward for the students if they were to check daily in? Diba you mentioned there will be a reward?
Yeah, there.
Another one.
May I ask another member of your group to answer?
Galug.
So what was that reward system? You're proposing a reward system so that the students can consistently
Yes.
be good tardiness, di ba?
Yes.
So what is the reward for the students?
Certificates and last points under grades.
So can I ask some